Hey superstars, it's me, Almond Duchess, and I'm back with another video. Today's look is going to be on this blazing red. It reminds me of, fire and desire, baby. Okay, I hope you guys will like it because I love it. Now let's get into this video. Hey guys, as you can see, I just sprayed my brush with water to get it as flat as possible. Right now, I'm just applying my red eyeshadow across the eyelid. I already applied my eyeshadow base and did my brows off camera. Now we're going to go in with our concealer to cut the crease. Once that is completed, you're going to add your pressed glitter on top. I'm using a golden yellow. Now you're going to take a liquid liner and line across the top of the cut crease. Now it's time to add lashes. I'm going to use the style Drama from the Ombré collection to give this look a pop. With a liquid liner, we're going to line the top of our lash line just to blend it all in. Slow and steady, babes. Now it's time to add foundation. Using a large stippling brush, I'm going to press the foundation into my skin. Before I start, I'm going to coat my brush with a layer of setting spray. Now I'm going to take my concealer and I'm going to highlight underneath of my eyes, underneath my cheekbones, down my nose brim, my chin area, above my lip, and my forehead. Using a flat foundation brush, I'm going to blend by pressing it into the skin, baby. Now I'm going to go in with my darker shade of concealer to contour my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead, and my jawline. Using another flat foundation brush, we're going to press this into the skin to blend it. We do not do swiping motion, we just press, press, press. Now I'm going to go in with some bronzer to set this concealer. Right now I'm just adding the blush to add some color to the face. Then I'm going to go in with my setting powder to set my concealer. Now I'm going to use the Angel Glow palette and highlight my cheekbones, my brow bone, and down my nose brown. Using my ruby red lipstick, I just applied it to the middle of my lips and I went over top of it with my chocolate matte lipstick just to give it an ombre effect. To complete this look, just spray your favorite setting spray to set everything in place. And now you're ready to slay. That's right, you better work them angles, honey, because you did that. I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, baby. To shop the Ombré collection.